Tom from Do-It-Yourself Home Automation. This is a review of the Lacroix Pamplemousse flavor. So Pamplemousse means grapefruit in French. This is a pink grapefruit flavor of Lacroix sparkling water. And as with all Lacroix, it's 0 calories, 0 sweetener, and 0 sodium, which I like about it. It's nice sparkling water, and it has a pink grapefruit flavor to it. So try a little bit of that. I don't always love grapefruit as a flavor, but I think this does a good job of being really refreshing, really drinkable, kind of summery, kind of tropical tasting. It's more like a pink grapefruit flavor, so it doesn't taste like a grapefruit candy or something. It's very refreshing, and Lacroix says they call it a pantry staple, like something that you would have just for everyday kind of drinking. Probably makes a good mixer as well. Lacroix Pamplemousse. Again, just really light and refreshing. The flavors, as with all Lacroix beverages, are really pretty subtle. So even if, like with me, Pamplemousse, grapefruit is not necessarily my favorite flavor, it's still just nice, kind of background note, and really very drinkable, very refreshing.